Looking forward to it, Lou?
I am. Hopefully there's alcohol.
Steam Whistle Brewery, you were a delight. Really enjoyed it. How did you enjoy it, Lou?
I'm steaming, so it was great.
He's steaming.
I'm not actually, but I had a lot of beer, which is fantastic. And it was good beer as well, very good beer.
Yeah. And a really good history of the company and stories and etc. etc. So really good, really enjoyed it. Rate out of 10?
Give it a 9.
9? Yeah. Give it a 9 as well.